Hey guys, what's up? My name is Rumi and welcome to my channel. If you're here for the first time and if you like this video, please don't forget to give it a big thumbs up, and also please don't forget to share it with your friends and family. Plus, if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and do that. Today I'm going to be sharing with you my easy Magh Bihu tutorial. First of all, to all my Assamese viewers, আপোনালোক সকলোকে মাঘ বিহুৰ আন্তৰিক শুভেচ্ছা যাচিলোঁ। যদি মোৰ এই ভিডিঅ'টো আপোনালোকে ভাল পায় তেতিয়াহ'লে প্লিজ লাইক কৰিব, নিজৰ লগৰ সমনীয়া চবৰ লগতে শ্বেয়াৰ কৰিব আৰু মোৰ চেনেলটো ছাবস্ক্ৰাইব কৰিবলৈ নাপাহৰিব। So today I'm going to be sharing with you a very easy get ready with me Magh Bihu tutorial. So Magh Bihu is similar to Lohri, Makarsakranti and Pongal. It embarks the harvest season. Today I'm going to be sharing with you get ready with me Magh Bihu tutorial. So here I'll be sharing with you my easy festive makeup tutorial along with what dress I'm wearing, which jewelry I'm wearing. So yeah, without further ado, let's get started. So to start, first of all, tie your hair maybe in a ponytail or braid so that no hair is coming out and you can apply your makeup smoothly. So I already went ahead and applied primer on my face. So the second thing which I'll be going to do is applying foundation. So the one which I'm currently using is the Lakme Absolute Foundation, and I'm in the shade 02, which is Rose Fair. So I'll go ahead and apply it on my face and on my neck. So now with the help of a beauty blender, I will pat it on my skin. And now the next thing which I'll do is use a brush and try to blend in all the foundation which I already applied. And after this I will make my eyebrows using the e.l.f. eyebrow kit. So I'm using the darker shade here. And I'll fill in my eyebrows. One thing I would like to say, I'm not a makeup expert, so little makeup which I've learned is from YouTube and watching other YouTube videos. So please forgive me if I make any mistakes in the process. So once that is done, I will go ahead and groom my eyebrows using a dual-ended eyebrow brush. So this end you can draw your eyebrows like the one which I just used before, and this end, this has the spoolie brush, and you can go ahead and fix the shape of your eyebrows. There. Now the next thing which I will like to do is go ahead and apply MAC Studio Fix foundation. So I'm in the shade between NC 41 and 42. 42 looks much better on me, so I'll go ahead and apply it. Now again I'm using the same brush and I'll blend all the Studio Fix foundation. After this I'll go ahead and do my eye makeup. So for my eye makeup I'm going to be using eyeshadows from the Pineapple of My Eye Collectors collection from Tarte, and I'll go ahead and apply this shade over here. There. And I'll apply it towards the end of my eye. And now using a different brush, I will blend it in. That part is done. And now I will use a different eyeshadow. This time I'll be using this shade. So since it's a festive lookbook, I want shimmery eyeshadow shade. So now I'll go ahead and apply it on the middle portion of my eyelid. And again, using the other brush which I used previously, I will go ahead and blend it in. Now I'll go ahead and apply the first shade which I used, and this time I will apply it on my lower lash line. Now I'll go ahead and apply eyeliner. So I'll be using the Tarte Kitten eyeliner. And now on my eyelashes, I'm going to be using a mascara. So the one which I'm going to be using is from Clarins, and it's their Super Volume Mascara. So I'm done with my eye makeup, and I'll go ahead and apply contour to my face because I want a little bit dimension to my face. So I'm using the same palette, same Tarte palette, and I will apply it and blend it. Now I'll go ahead and apply a little bit of blusher to my face. So I'm using this shade. Now I'll go ahead and apply some highlighter to my face. And now using a fan brush, I will blend it in. And last but not the least, I'm going to finish off my look by using a lipstick. So the one which I'm going to be using today is from Maybelline New York, and it is their matte lipstick in the shade 685 Craving Coral. So my makeup is done, and for my sari I have chosen this beautiful Mekhela Chador. It's a very beautiful green Mekhela Chador, and it has golden as well as white work done on it. And for the jewelry, I have chosen this beautiful Ganpati necklace set. So as you can see, they have very beautiful different stones. In this necklace, and it has these beautiful earrings. I'd like to show you the back so that you can see the stones more clearly. So these are the stones which this necklace has. I'm going to be wearing these beautiful kadas. Again, they are such beautifully carved kadas. They look so pretty and I love them. And last but not the least, I'm going to be adding this beautiful ring to my outfit. And as you can see, these have beautiful emerald and ruby stones. So yeah, all this jewelry I bought it I guess 5 to 6 months back, and they are from the website called Preciousandyou. I will link the website in the description box below. Please don't forget to check it out. They have beautiful silver jewelry, oxidized jewelry, dual tone jewelry, and also they have huge collection of pearl jewelry as well. So please don't forget to check them out. So yeah, that's all for today. I hope you really enjoyed this lookbook, and if you did, please don't forget to give it a big thumbs up, and please don't forget to share it with your friends and your family. Plus, if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and do that. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and wish you all a very happy Bihu and Makarsakranti and Pongal as well. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Bye.